Oh.
Like,
Now eat it. Num.
it's supposed to do that.
It's food. Yum, 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 yum. Mm-hmm. Eat it. Try some. Put that in your mouth.
Move, ma'am.
Where's that
It's
spoon?
like, I think I should think about this before I stick this in my mouth.
Good. And
Oh,
it's,
that's okay.
mmm. That's good. Keep going. Are you gonna eat it? He's done. He's done mushing it.
Mom, you gonna take pictures?
Yeah, that didn't take long at all. Yay! Happy birthday. Keep going. Eat it up. Get it. Get it. Sorry for the sugar rush.
Oh God! What did I just do? How you doing there, little blue mouth?
Oh, go away.
Eat it up.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy. He's like, am I gonna get in trouble? That's your cake. Mmm. It's cake. Learn to say cake. More cake. Uh-oh. No, don't worry about that.
Nope, time to smear it. Alright.
Everything's washable. I don't mind doing it every once in a while. I just don't want to do it every day.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Oh.
Sweet, sweet frosting. We meet again.
Is it covered in it?
He will be. He's doing good right now. He's getting most of his mouth.
Mmm.
What color do you think his food's gonna be?
All kinds of colors.
Blue.
Yum!